How to make a welcome channel on Discord. First is by opening your Discord and then make sure to go to the server that you want. And then click on the plus button and create the text channel which is called welcome if you want to, or any um, name that you want. Since I have already created one, I'll just use this channel. And then go to your web browser such as Chrome and go to me6.xyz. And then click on add to Discord and make sure to sign in with your account. Once you have signed in, you need to click on setup right here and then you need to click on continue once you have chosen your server. So I'll just choose this one, click on continue, click on authorize and wait for it to load. Click on I am human and wait for it to load once again. Once it has been added to your server, you should choose the server management right here and then click on welcome and goodbye. You need to turn on this send a message when a user join or send a private message to new users, or you can choose whichever you want right here. So click on send a message when a user joins the server and then choose the server or the channel that you want. So again, choose welcome or the new channel that you have created. And then you may type in the message, the name or the user. It will automatically input the name of that person and then welcome to and the name of the server. And then click on send welcome card if you want to, and then you may customize it whichever you want. So whenever you have done this, so for example, like this one, you have created your message, you may click on save right here, wait for it to load, and whenever someone joins in your server, they will be um, redirected into this text right here, and then there will a message that will appear right here. So there you go. That's how you can make a welcome server on Discord.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.